In this tutorial, we will be learning about another Kali Linux tool, that is LBD. You will find this tool under Information Gathering and IDS/IPS Identification (LBD). It is load balancing detector. So first, let us know what is load balancing. It refers to efficiently distributing incoming network traffic across a group of backend servers. You can think in this way that there is some server that is used to process the requests from the customers. So suppose there are many customers and they are simultaneously using requesting the server at the same time. So server must have some capacity. So what if its capacity has been full? That means that now it cannot accept more requests, and then in such cases the customer will be facing difficulty. So in order to solve this problem, we use load balancer. This load balancer is used to balance the loads between servers. So in this system we will keep different more copy of the same servers in a backend. So whenever we find that the server is going to be overloaded, then in this case the load balancer will redirect this traffic to another server, so that the normal executions of the server will go and the customer will not face any difficulty. So we can define this load balancer as a traffic police, which ensures high availability and reliability by directing the traffics to different servers, and in this way it balances the loads. So LBD detects if a given domain. So what about this tool? This detects if a given domain uses DNS or HTTP load balancing. So you can all whenever you use this tool, be careful, because it is advised that firewall might pick up on this as suspicious activity, and it there can be a legal issue. So use this tool very wisely. And if you are doing pen testing, get everything in a paper from the person, from the organization's head who has advised you to perform pen testings. So that is another issue, we will not discuss it here. So let us see how it works. We can simply type LBD, the name of domain. I will be using hackthisSite.org, and it is checking for load balancing server, and it takes a little bit time. Until then we open another port, and in this we will query who is google.com. So by using this whois command, you can know about the google.com. The name is google.com. This has no relation with this. I am just telling you because it is taking some time. Until then I am telling you about this whois query. So if you type who is google.com, or you can even use IP addresses in this place, then it will give you the domain name and all the details about this website, the name servers that it is using. It will also give you the URLs, and many more information is also available. So the main information is what you get in this place until here. So this is all the information you can get from load balancer. You also get the email address of the abuse complaint. You can also get the phone, you also get the phone number. Registry expiry date is also available. Creation date, when was this created. Updation date, when was this updated. So now let's move back to this. So it says that it has not found any load balancer, neither HTTP load balancer nor DNS load balancer. So we will use another. Let's check for google.com and let's see if it finds any load balancer for google.com. There are many websites you can check on. So it's getting something. So it says that no, sorry. Here in this hack this site org, it is found that HTTP hack this site org does load balancing found via method DNS. Means there is a DNS load balancing system in this hack this site org, and in google.com it also does load balancing, and the method it uses is HTTP. So this is all about load balancing detector. In next video tutorial we will be learning about the another tool in order, that is WebFo. Thank you till then.